Orchard, 5 minutes to Somerset MRT. Freehold, 2 bedrooms, private live. Hi everyone, this is Diana from the Property Runway, and today we are at the heart of Orchard, Somerset. This condominium that we are visiting today is one of the closest to the MRT and is called the Metz. Built in 2007, there is only a total of 169 units ranging from 1 bedroom to 4 bedrooms. What's more, it is a full facilities condo with a beautiful pool, barbecue area, tennis court, and a sheltered car park. Now, amongst the condominiums in this vicinity, the Metz has one of the nicest layouts. And today, what we have is one of the larger 2 bedrooms in this condo at 1,066 square feet with a ceiling height of approximately 3.4 meters. Enter your home through the private lift up to your doorstep. A private foyer enables you to welcome guests to your abode. The space opens up to the massive living and dining area with a spectacular view of the city. The kitchen is cleverly designed to ensure ease in food preparation and cooking, such that your food is served hot from the stove to your dining table. In the kitchen, we also have a hidden laundry area. Head down the passageway where we find 2 large bedrooms. The master bedroom is able to fit a king size, and with massive windows, you enjoy the city view day and night. It also comes with your own ensuite bathroom with a built-in bathtub. Kept in a great condition, this house is not one for you to miss. Call the Property Runway today for exclusive viewing. See you soon!